what Bitcoin has done is really interesting, because one level which is very nice to me is the speed fan, which resistance we have broken right now. So if I pull my speed fan from this high to the overall low locally, you can see that we had a very nice respect and support from 618 speed fan level. Then we found resistance at 7.5. We found here resistance 3 times, so 1, 2, 3. Then we broke it, and we have been testing as a support, broke it once more, retested as a resistance, went down, then broke it again, a little deviations. And what we are right now doing is we basically broke the speed fan again, and we retested it as a support very, very nicely. As you can see, we had a support from this level. So this speed fan, in my opinion, is very, very important. And as you can see, I took it from this high, not this one, because from here we've got an impulsive move to the downside, not from here. So that is why I chose this wick, not this one. So yeah, I really hope that this speed fan is helpful to you, and you can recognize the strength of the market or weakness. So as we know the things about speed fan, let's look at another things. What is very important? Very important is the market structure. We are right now in a bearish market structure, and yesterday I've said that not one time that this is not the time for swing longs, because we are still, if we zoom out, we are in a massive bear trend. It is not bullish at all, and even locally we are bearish, because we didn't make a higher high. What we made is just low and the high, and this is the potentially higher low, but to be it confirmed higher low, we have to break this level, e.g. make a higher high. That could be a bullish market structure, and that would be a strength, sign of strength of Bitcoin for the macro perspective. So yes, daily trading, scalping, longs are acceptable totally, but for long swing trades, basically, yeah, it is not a long for me. Also, what I want to show you is the pitchfork, which I can pull basically from this high to the low to the high. What we can see right here is also that this speed fan was very respected also. We had a support, broken, resistance, deviation, basically broken, and right now we tested it as a support also with confluence of our speed fan. So as you can see, speed fan with the pitchfork coming into one as a really, really nice confluence, and it gave to us a bounce of 1.5%. So that is really, really nice. So the pitchfork is also one thing to be considered into our daily trading. So yeah, this is also an important level in my opinion. So right now let's look where we could find support and resistance locally for day trading, and let's start with the support. What I want to show you is first of all the trend line. Very, very important trend line. As you can see, we had a support from this level 1, 2, 3, 4 times already. I've showed you this support trend line maybe a few weeks ago, but if you forgot, I can show it one more time. Basically, go to the 2020 year and pull your trend line from 8th of October and extend it to the 2021 year, 20th of July. So that these are the two important dates from which I pull my trend line, and as you can see, it was respected really, really well. Compared with these pumps, it is nothing, but for an intraday trading, it is very, very nice level. As you can see, we had a bounce right here for 3.5%, so that is really, really great. And that is one thing to be considered also in day trading. As you can recognize, we are right now heading into the apex of our resistance and support trend lines. I have my resistance line also pulled from the all-time highs to this pivot. Basically, it is not, it doesn't look well because I pulled it from the daily time frame. If we go to the daily, you can see that these pivots are right and yeah, lining up really well with these highs. So as you can see, we are heading into the apex of this triangle, and yeah, this is the moment where we can see breakouts from this triangle. Or what would be really funny and nice to do is to basically continue to range in this range, as you can see, without any breakouts. So yeah, retail people would be very upset about this price action. Yeah. So as you know, the trend lines, which are important in my opinion, very important. Let's now look for support and resistance key levels. Very simply, first support, which I look at, is the golden pocket from this low to the high. We have a golden pocket right here. What is the confluence to this level? Well, very, very simply, we have a few key levels. So that is the previous day value area low. It is a very nice confluence to our Fibonacci golden. As you can see, it is right inside of this golden pocket. And also what is important is the daily open. Fun fact, from the daily open, we had an initial balance which was very bullish. And yeah, we haven't taken any lows from the daily open. So if we go to the daily time frame, you will see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, we have no wick to the downside. So this is pretty bullish, I would say, because as you can see, all days have wicks to the upside, wicks to the downside. And as you can see, this was the wick with, daily candle with very little wick. And it was really bearish candle. And right here, what we are having is the bullish candle with no wicks to the downside. So this is pretty bullish, I would say, pretty strong trend. So yeah, let's go to the local price action and continue with our support levels. So that is the one support level which I'm looking at. This is a very important level for me. If we will pull fixed range from the start of this range, what we'll have is the point of control right here. So that would be a deviation of this point of control. And fun fact, what we have done is we flipped this point of control and it is acting as a support. But it is really possible for price to go back below this point of control, test this level as a support, then again break this point of control. So basically this point of control means that there's a lot of price action, transaction volume at this key level. So that is why it is important. And as you can see, we are at the middle of the channel. So this is not the place for, again, swing longs or swing shorts, because it is just, yeah, 50-50. Price can go up and price can go down. If we go to the low of the range, then we can look for swing longs. And if we go to the high of the range, we are looking to short for swing shorts. So that is basically like that. And if we'll break this support zone, I already said to you that what I will look for is for the low of this range. Why it is an important thing in my opinion? Because, well, very simply, we had a support right here 3 times already. It is the low of the range, so that is, yeah, pretty logical in my opinion. And also, if we pull another Fibonacci retracement, but change it to the 786. You can see this blue line right here. It is the 786 Fibonacci retracement level. It is lining up really nicely with our range low. And also what we have is the daily level, which is right here. So this is again a zone of support. We can look for the swing fail patterns of these highs. So we can take this low, close back inside, retest, and go up. So that would be another support level if we lose this one. So let me hide that, and let's look right now at the resistance, which we can have. Very simply, what I am looking for is for the high of this range. Yes, we have resistance right here, but I do really think that this is a really not high risk, I would say, but it is for more experienced players in the markets, in my opinion. So I won't mention these resistances. I tried to mention them in my previous yesterday's video. So if you're interested, you can go watch my previous video. But I do really think that this is a little bit too hard for new players. Well, if you're advanced, then you can look at these resistances. But for, well, more new members in this crypto market, I would tell you that the range high is the resistance. Why? Because basically it is again the range high. At the range high, we are looking for shorts, not for longs. Basically, we had a resistance here once. We had a deviation back inside, resistance 2 times, and we can expect this level to act as a resistance the 3rd time. It is really possible. Let's look if we have any Fibonacci retracement levels. We don't really have. We have a golden pocket right here. So what you could do is to look at it as a zone of resistance of maybe 1%. Maybe we can swing fail pattern this high. That would be also a very nice trading opportunity, in my opinion. And basically we have also here a value area high. So again, I'm going into this value of price action. So yeah, basically look at it as a zone. Don't be fast and aggressive on the shorts. Wait for the confirmation, for the market structure change into bullish, maybe in 5 minutes time frame. That could be a more probable, less risk trade. And yeah, that is basically it. We can also see that we have a monthly level right here, a daily level right here. So that is a confluence for the swing fail pattern of this high. So yeah, I really hope that you liked my technical analysis. If you did, subscribe to my channel. Hope it really helps. And yeah, see you later. Bye.